I'm gonna test this out right quick on your app. Now keep in mind that I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hey y'all, it's Katie here, aka Big Katie, and you're watching the Katie Here Show. And today, y'all gonna watch me do this little Mean Girls inspired Valentine's Day set, okay? So right now, I'm just prepping a nail hand or whatever. Now, the prep you see me doing in this video is not the prep you want to do on your actual clients. A nail hand is very different from a natural nail bed. This is plastic, baby. You gotta buff and scrub. And I actually ended up hot gluing the tips on. Like, as soon as it wasn't sticking right away. It was like 2 a.m. when I was recording this. I'm like, I'm not. Actually, just find somebody else because I wasn't doing it. I pulled out the hot glue gun so fast and glued them tips on. Find somebody else. At 1 a.m. Extra long set, very detailed. Find somebody else because it wasn't gonna be me. I hot glued them bitches on. I was not gonna sit there, hold them tips on, 10 minutes of finger, make sure they set. No, hot glue. And I already told myself I wasn't going to go in detail on the prep. I wasn't going to go in detail on the application. But I was going to go in detail on the nail art. So this is going to be a nail art tutorial. And also, while we at it, there's a few things I want to clear up. For one, you're going to see me start off with like this acrylic powder that I got from Temu that somebody gave to me when I did their hair. And you see me using that at first because I didn't want to waste my good product on a practice hand. But it was very chalky, very liquidy. Like, it was not drying, it just wasn't applying right, so I switched over to my not polish. I like to use not polish. I got my Mia Secret, that's the nude. I love not polish acrylics. They're so buttery, so smooth. I just love not polish acrylics. If I could be an acrylic powder, I would choose not polish. And the second disclaimer of the video is you're going to see me using this nail template. That's mine. I created that. Link is going to be in the bio. And it comes like 54 templates. It comes like a white shade, a light skin shade, and like a dark brown shade. And how many shades does it come with? Yeah, it does come with like a fair / light skin shade, like a white shade / light skin shade that I made them share because like it was close. It was really close. Then we got like the brown skin shade, and then we got like a dark skin shade, and then we got like one with no shades at all. So you get 4 options for each template. I got duck nails, I got overlay, I got stilettos, long square templates, whole different shapes. And I'm thinking about just pricing it $5. I'm gonna start it off $5. I seen somebody else, there's only one other person selling them. They sell theirs for $15. I'm gonna sell mine for $5. And actually, our nail templates can be used for multiple different reasons, but I'm going to name a few off for you guys, okay? Reason 1, let's say you want to work on your freestyle nail art. The nail tips are perfect for planning out freestyle nail art ahead of time. So let's say you got a client and they schedule and they tell you they want pink, glitter, freestyle. You would just doodle up a whole bunch of different sketches of like designs with pink and glitter. And when your client get there, show them the options and let them pick to, ensure client satisfaction. Or let's say you're a super creative nail tech and you get all these random ideas in your head, and you might be at home, or you just spend a lot of time doing a set, like you do something and you wipe it off because you don't really know how it's gonna look all together. This can stop that. You draw it out, see how it's gonna look, and you're gonna know if it's gonna be cohesive, if it's all gonna go together before you even do it on a nail. That's exactly what I use it for today. Okay, let me get to telling y'all exactly what I'm doing here today. So I did the main colors. Now I'm going in with like the little lines with a notebook. This is super duper easy. But let me tell you where I went wrong at. I added the glitter on. I thought I could add glitter on then add on the words. No. The gel polish just got stuck all in the glitter, and I had to wipe off, and then this was like gel polish residue in the glitter, and I ended up scraping off some of the glitter just to get the words to even be on it. But I did get the words on it in the end, but I ended up scraping the glitter off where I wanted the words at, just for the words to go on. And for my airbrush, I bought an airbrush machine. I used it one time and it stopped working, so I'm not wasting $20 on a nail brush every set. I'm just going to use an old makeup palette that I do not use anymore. And I use that and I lightly apply it to the nail to give it a an airbrush effect. I could drop a tutorial on that if y'all would like me to and go in full details of it, because like this is super duper sped up. I record my content in time lapses now to not stop me, but to help me edit less. I got that from Tanise. I'm pretty sure that's her name. Tanise, she does nails. She be on not nail talk. She be on TikTok, and she uses number 5 brush. And actually, before this over, I wanted to tell y'all what inspired me to do this set the way I did this set. So instead of the brand book, it says the love book, because it's Valentine's Day. The one studded out rock star nail is because when you look at Mean Girls, it was the one character, like not part of the 3 group. I can't remember her name right now. I should go look it up. Katie. It was Katie. She never, if you look at all the pictures, you search on Mean Girls, you look up all the pictures, she never fit in. She had her own little style, and I wanted to incorporate that into the set. Like I wanted to, and that's what made the set is set. Like, and then the ombre plaid on the thumb was inspired by Gretchen. She had on the plaid skirt with the pink shirt, and then the pinky was supposed to say "that's so fetch," but like I said, I put glitter on there, and the words wasn't really getting on it right because of the glitter and the texture. So I ended up scraping it all off, and I ended up just doing February 14th on there. But I really wanted to say February 3rd because, you know, it's October 3rd. I didn't do it because I was going to drop it on February 3rd, but I recorded it February 3rd. I have no time.